I'm recording.
Let me back here.
Oh shit. Shit. No! One at a time or what? What are they doing?
Come on.
Oh.
There you go. Hey Tyler, did you get anything out of that?
Oh shit. We got a headache.
How bad? Really bad or just a little bad? You want me to stop recording now, Tyler?
Oh shit.